Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video on how to change your Genshin Impact password on PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your web browser. On the search tab, search Genshin Impact and enter, and click on this very first link that appears on your screen. This will lead you to the site of Genshin Impact, and here you can see this official site button. Click on it, and here we are. As you can see that my username has already appeared here on the right top because I have already logged in. So if you haven't logged in your account, then make sure you do. But this, if you put your cursor on your account name, then you can see there's account and logout option. Well, click on account. Now with this, you will need to log into your account for the settings and for your account information. Enter your email and password for the account login, and after you do this, agree to the terms and policy and click on this login button. Now for the verification, a puzzle will appear on your screen. Solve it, and now you can see that you have logged in. So on the left side you can see there's account information settings. Now click on this security setting and scroll down a little. You can see here change password. On the right side you can see the switch button. Click on it. For the email verification, click on this send button here. Follow the on-screen given instruction and click on OK. After you do this, you will receive a verification code on the email address that you have provided. As you can see that I have already received one. So enter the email verification code here, and after you do this, click on next. Now here you can set your new password as you prefer, and first give your password as your preference, and after that confirm the password and click on confirm. So now again, if you try to log in with your previous password, then you can see that we were not able to log in. Now enter your new password and click on login. Again, for the verification, solve the puzzle, and you can see here we can log into our account. So this was it for today guys. If you find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.